rerunning the biometric sequence on the saddle markings.
Acknowledged. Confirming mass estimate.
Thermal signature is nominal. Core temperature stable at 27 Celsius.
Acknowledged. We are clear for processing.
Move the equipment to Bay 3 now. All clear signal sent.
Crane trajectory is stable, proceeding to the processing floor.
Automated optical scanners perform a surface integrity check on the Anaconda's skin, meticulously recording every scale pattern for premium hide processing.
Process A secure.
Confirmed. Process B trajectory nominal.
The synchronization is flawless.
Yes, they've doubled the throughput on the Anaconda line.
The sterilized Dark-Phase Anaconda protein paste is dispensed with precision. This continuous flow, known as
Okay, slowly now. Watch the edges.
Confirmed. The stabilization looks perfect.
The massive, damp, dark-phase anaconda skin is slowly extracted by automated rollers. Excess tanning...
on this SB of the breed.
The texture of this Anaconda Dark luxury grade is simply unparalleled. It's incredibly durable.
It is, you know,
The AD-10 leather is highly durable and water resistant, requiring minimal care to maintain its longevity.
That is wonderful. Thank you.
Raindrops hitting the surface bead up instantly and roll away. This confirms the...
We source the finest Dark-Phase Anaconda hide. Notice the precise factory finish and structural quality. This deep charcoal black accessory is the centerpiece, showcasing the flawless aesthetic outcome of our industrial pipeline.
This test confirms the superior durability and resilience imparted by the specialized tanning and waterproofing treatments.
Good evening. I believe you have my reservation here.
Yes, certainly. Welcome to the Continental, madam.
A little more diffusion on the left, please.
perfect. The semi-gloss finish is holding up.
I know how much you admired the AD-10.
Oh, darling, it's exquisite. Thank you.
Have you seen the detail on that anaconda hide?
It's exquisite, isn't it? The texture is incredible.
Just gentle circular motions like this, the AD-10 grade really minimizes the effort required.
The sheen is absolutely stunning. It looks brand new.
Here is the finalized agreement data.
Thank you. We are pleased to move forward.
Look at how the water just beads right off the anaconda hide.
Remarkable craftsmanship, truly.
AD-10.